In this session, we will be seeing more compiler directives for OpenMP. We will start with the first pragma, parallel. You can see that there is a pragma given here in the slide. Pragma OMP parallel 4. Here we are trying to parallelize a for loop, giving this compiler directive just before the canonical shape of for loop. Let's evaluate the program using pragma OMP parallel 4. Here inside the main function, we have started with a routine which sets the number of threads. Here we have given 4 as the number of threads. We have given the compiler directive pragma OMP parallel 4, and immediately after the compiler directive, we have specified the for loop. Inside the for loop, there are two statements to be executed by every thread. The first thread is to get the current thread ID, and we have assigned the value to a variable j. The second statement is to print the current loop index and the thread ID. Soon after the for loop, we are getting the number of processors available in the system, and we are printing the number of processors. So let's run the program. To evaluate the result, we need to see the division of for loop among the threads. The loop had 10 iterations, and we have set the threads as 4. So these 10 iterations are to be divided among 4 threads. You can see that the first 2 threads will get 3 iterations each, and the rest of the 2 threads will get 2 iterations. So there are 4 threads. The thread IDs are 0, 1, and 2, 3. So 0 will get the first 3 loop iterations. The loop iterations of 0, 1, and 2. 1 will get the next 3 loop iterations, which are 3, 4, and 5. Again, the thread 2 will get 2 loop iterations, and thread 3 will get the rest of the loop iterations. So this is the evaluation of our results. You can see the result here in the output window. You can see that thread 0 executed 0, 1, 2. Thread 1 executed 3, 4, and 5. Thread 2 executed 6 and 7, and thread 3 executed 8 and 9. We have also printed the number of processors available for this particular system. Here it is given as 8. Here you can see that this system have 4 cores and 8 logical processors. So hence we have the total number of processors as 8.